In professional content creation, audio quality makes or breaks the final result. DJI Mic 3 is a wireless microphone system built for serious creators. It captures clear, warm sound with the flexibility to support vlogging, live streams, and multi-camera production anytime, anywhere. Well, let's start from the form factor and wearing options. Each transmitter weighs just 16 grams, including the magnet. It clips or attaches magnetically to clothing or gear and remains stable and discreet during recording. The detachable clip rotates, so the mic can always face the sound source, whether mounted upright or inverted. Everything stores neatly in the compact charging case, including windscreens, magnetic clips, adapters, and cables, making transport simple and keeping the setup compact and efficient. DJI Mic 3 includes 32GB of onboard memory per transmitter, offering up to 57 hours of 24-bit or 43 hours of 32-bit float internal recording. With dual file mode enabled, the system saves both raw and algorithm-enhanced audio files simultaneously. Oh yeah, it comes with adaptive gain control. For automatic level balancing, Mic 3 includes a dual mode adaptive gain control. Auto mode prevents clipping by adjusting levels in real time. Dynamic mode is designed for scenarios where two speakers share one mic, helping balance their volumes without distortion. Both modes can be enabled through the receiver interface and provide clear, usable sound in changing environments. 3 voice tone presets shape the character of recorded speech. Let's check. Regular mode provides a natural, balanced sound. Bright mode lifts the high end, giving more clarity to softer or deeper voices. Rich mode enhances low frequencies, adding depth and warmth. These presets can be switched directly inside the Mimo application, depending on the speaker's voice and the recording context. Well, DJI Mic 3 is a flagship class microphone, and as usual, it comes with noise cancellation. 2 levels of active noise cancellation help suppress unwanted background noise. Basic mode reduces indoor disturbances like air conditioning or reverb. Strong mode cuts through outdoor distractions such as traffic or wind. Now, quickly let's check the performance of these 2 noise cancellation levels.
The Micro 4-curved display flows seamlessly into a sleek matte frame that feels premium yet balanced.
Well, we have already enabled strong noise cancellation, and I'm standing beside a very busy street. Can you hear any noise? I think you can't, because it actually works perfectly well. DJI Mic 3 supports up to 4 transmitters and 8 receivers. Each receiver can be assigned to a different camera, making it ideal for multi-person interviews, panel setups, or live productions. The master receiver manages all connected transmitters, including start-stop recording, gain, and preset control. Sub-receivers mirror those settings in real time, allowing multiple camera operators to monitor and capture synced, high-quality audio without complex routing or mixing gear. For productions using Sony cameras or compatible software, DJI Mic 3 enables 4-channel output via horseshoe adapter. Each mic gets its own audio track, ideal for post-editing. Integrated timecode support ensures frame-accurate sync across devices and formats. Audio and video stay logged throughout the edit, even on long shoots, saving time and ensuring consistent alignment across cameras, phones, or DJI captured devices. Here comes the thing that I like the most. Dual-band 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz wireless ensures strong anti-interference performance with automatic frequency hopping for stable signal even in crowded environments like exhibition halls. Users can switch between indoor mode and outdoor mode based on environment and local frequency regulations. In optimal outdoor conditions, the system reaches up to 400 meters line of sight. Now let's quickly do a distance test. I'm already 200 meters away from the camera. How's the sound quality? Okay, I'm 400 meters away from the camera. How far is the camera? I can't even see it clearly. How's the sound quality? Okay, when lossless audio is enabled, uncompressed 48 kHz 24-bit sound is transmitted with high clarity and detail. Each transmitter lasts up to 8 hours and the receiver up to 10. The charging case provides an additional 28 hours of operating time. With 3C fast charging, just 5 minutes of charging delivers 2 hours of use. Perfect for emergencies. I need to mention, a full charge takes only 50 minutes. Smart power saving features like auto off and camera linked control maximize uptime and reduce the need for manual power management during shoots. Yeah, like other DJI microphones, DJI Mic 3 transmitters connect directly to DJI Osmo 360, Action 5 Pro, Action 6 or Pocket 3 to DJI's OsmoAudio ecosystem. This removes the need for a receiver, simplifies setup, and ensures full 48 kHz audio quality, far superior to standard Bluetooth transmission. It's time to wrap up, and yeah, DJI Mic 3 combines portability with professional-grade features. Internal float recording, adaptive gain control, multi-person setups, and seamless timecode integration make it a powerful audio tool for creators who work fast and expect reliability. It's built to capture clean, controllable sound, no matter where or how the story is told.
Shadows follow me everywhere I go. Danger's near, I can feel